Hi, our work reports of the first crop water stress detector based on a micromechanical-photo-switch capable of detecting water stress in leaves and using it to turn on an irrigation system while consuming almost zero power in standby. The near zero standby power consumption greatly increases the battery lifetime of these sensors, paving the way for the development of high-granularity maintenance-free sensor networks for large-scale smart farms. The detection technique relies on the rise in leaf temperature when sunlit plants become water stressed. This results in increased infrared radiation emitted by the leaves around the 10 micron infrared spectral region. Our sensor, which is pointed at the leaves, is specifically designed to absorb radiation at these wavelengths and turn on only when the plant starts showing a temperature increase of 3.6 degrees Celsius, which corresponds to an increase in plant water stress from 100% to 61% relative water content. Please visit my poster for more details.